In this video, I will introduce how to create purchase invoice and payment. Select New. Choose the vendor to create the invoice. If this vendor has a contract associated with a purchase order, we can select the contract, or else we can also create a purchase invoice from the purchase order or existing items. We enter about 3 to 5 characters based on the item name to find, select it and press the blue check button to add it to the purchase invoice. When you're done, select Save. Once the purchase invoice is created, it will have a status of unpaid. Before we create the payment for the purchase invoice, we need to create an approval process for the payment. If not, the payment will be automatically approved. Go to Settings menu under the Purchase module and Sealed Approval. Select New Approval Setting, select Payment Request, then enter a title for the approval process. Select the approver needed for the process. You can review what each of these options mean in the video. Create Purchase Request and Approval. When you're done, select Save. Go back to the Purchase Invoice menu and go to the Purchase Invoice Details page to pay. Select Payment. Select Payment Date and enter the amount to pay. We can pay this purchase invoice in one time or divide it into multiple payments, then choose a payment method. Enter other information such as transaction ID and note. When you're done, select Save. The newly created payment will be displayed on the Payment Record tab. Next, we need to approve this payment. Go to Payment Detail and select Send Approval Request. Log in with FAN staff account. Select the notification icon. He receives approval request notification via email and web. Click on the approval request notification. Select Approve. This payment request is sent to GT's solution for him to approve. After FAN staff approved, GT's solution will receive a notification requesting approval. Click on the notification to redirect to the Payment Request Detail page. Select Approve and the status of the payment changed to Approved. At the same time, the payment status of the invoice is also updated. Depending on the payment amount, the purchase invoice will have a status of partially paid or paid. If the payment has any error, we can delete and recreate another payment. The purchase invoice and payment are also displayed in the vendor portal for easy tracking. Vendor can also create purchase invoice and portal admin side only need to generate payment for this purchase invoice.